This is what we call dog nip. Dog nip. Hey. Chico. Here, you want some more chicken? Fine, Jojo. Here. Stem. They like eating the stem. It still has medicine on it. Yeah, Chico. Now are you ready to go outside again? Do you want to go outside? Hey, wait. Chico. No, we're gonna go outside. We're not gonna lay down. You freaks.